Something went wrong.
Display what is it?
Good morning everyone concerned. We are going to conduct lottery for the admission of class 1 in KB Masimpur. First we are going to conduct the lottery for RT category students. RT means right to education, for which 25% seats are reserved. We have total seats 80. So in the RT category we have total 20 seats. So we are going to conduct RT lottery first. Yes, going to start. So this is pre-lottery sequence. After conduction of the lottery, this sequence will be changed and new sequence will be created. We can conduct the lottery only once. We can put the button down, otherwise okay. We are going to conduct the lottery now. So post lottery sequence is already created. We have conducted the RT lottery and the sequences already. We have got the sequence now.
प्री लॉटरी लिस्ट एक तो निकालेगा, फिर पोस्ट लॉटरी लिस्ट निकालेगा।
ठीक सर।
हाँ जी सर।
Second, all DA categories disabled. We have no applicants from DA category, so we skip it. Then category 1, lottery for category 1.
OBC में नहीं?
डिफरेंटिएबल कोई नहीं है हमारे पास। हाँ दिखा दीजिए डिफरेंटिएबल कैंडिडेट्स कहीं पे नहीं है हमारे पास। Then service category 1, we are going to conduct the lottery for service category 1. This is pre-lottery sequence. After conduction, post lottery will be there in the screen. This is our pre-lottery sequence. This is first page. We are going to conduct the lottery. Next, category 2, lottery for category service category 2. Okay, total we have 17 candidates. And now we are going to conduct the lottery.
Okay.
Then SC category.
I see.
Yes, madam. Then SC category lottery. This is pre-lottery sequence. We have total 1 to 8 SC candidates in all. Okay, we conduct the lottery. Lottery has been conducted for SC candidates.
This download होगी मैडम ना? This is such.
Then ST category.
Download file बाद में दिखाओगे?
डाउनलोड वाला वो स्लाइड वो शो नहीं कर रहे
Live में show नहीं कर-
नहीं लाइव में
We have total 9 candidates from ST category. So we conduct ST category students.
Okay.
Then OBC NCL. STO over. Total 116 from OBC NCL candidates. So we are going to conduct the lottery for OBC NCL. Service category 3 candidates. In total 55 candidates from service category 3, and this is pre-lottery sequence. Now we lottery. Service category 3 lottery is over. Now we are moving for service category 4. We have total 25 candidates from service category 4, and this is the pre-lottery sequence. Now we conduct the lottery for that category. Now we are left with service category 5. We have total 311 candidates from service category 5. Now we are conducting the lottery for service category 5. single girl students. We have total 89 students from single girl categories SGC. So we are going to conduct single girl students. KBS sorts. We don't have.
Display.
So this is all about lottery for class 1 in KBMA Simple. We have conducted all the categories that exist in respect of our school.
शो करने के लिए
Sir, this
शो करने
मैं सारी कंप्लीट होगी कंप्लीट होगी उसको अनाउंस होगा तुमने लॉटरी कंडक्ट कर लिया अब जब लिस्ट डाउनलोड होगी आपको आपके यहाँ पे ये स्कूल की वेबसाइट पे डाल देंगे स्कूल पे डाल देंगे.
So we have completed the lottery for all the categories. Now we are showing you the post lottery pre-lottery sequence. We will display it in our school website, and